India's first orbital rocket, the pragmatically named SLV-3, lifted off the launch pad for the very first time nearly 41 years ago on 10th August 1979. And though it was retired in 1983, it still continues to, number 1, put Indian satellites in orbit, and number 2, push the Indian space program ahead. Let me explain. When I say SLV-3, I mean the S1 first stage. It had a diameter of 1 meter and was a 3-segment design. The stage produced 46 tons of thrust and used 8.6 tons of PBAN fuel, polybutadiene acrylonitrate, and burned for about 50 seconds. And you know what else has a 1 meter diameter and carries roughly 9 tons of fuel? Yes, you're right, the PSLV's strap-ons. Now you see what I'm getting at? The PSOMs were derived from the first stage of the SLV-3, though use HTPB, hydroxyl terminated polybutadiene, as fuel. The shift to HTPB was made during the development of the ASLV. The first stage of SLV-3 has undergone various modifications over the years. However, ISRO tested a monolithic variant of the PSOM in 1994, replacing the segmented design for better weight optimization on the PSLV. Further, a longer variant of the PSOM, the PSOM XL, was tested in 2005 and first flew on the PSLV C11 that put Chandrayaan-1 in lunar orbit. This same strap-on is now used on all active PSLV variants. The length of the PSOM was also increased to 13.5 meters and the fuel load was increased to 12.4 tons. If you're interested in more PSLV videos, you can watch one here and I'll link them in the description too. So that covers the bit about SLV-3 technically still putting India's satellites in orbit. If you like the video thus far, please subscribe to the channel, it really helps me out, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Now to the second part about SLV-3 powering future ISRO programs. Remember the RLV? Of course you do. You know which rocket was used for the first hypersonic experimental flight of India's space shuttle in 2016? Right again, the SLV-3 first stage, or rather the HS-9. The HS-9 was derived from the now retired 9-ton strap-ons of the PSLV, but went back to using a segmented design. And the overall length was again 10 meters, paying homage, so to speak, to the SLV-3. A slow burning propellant with oxamide as burning rate retardant was used with HTPB as fuel. This was done because ISRO needed the rocket to burn for a longish time of about 90 seconds. The first test of the HS-9 motor was conducted way back in 2008. So that's how SLV-3 is pushing India's space program forward even today. And who knows how long it'll serve the nation. Bonus fact: the SLV-3 was inspired from the American Scout rocket, and the SLV-3 first stage also gave birth to the Agni technology demonstrator missile. Till next time.